The letter ñ, that's the name of the word in Spanish. Ñ, it is completely foreign to English. Maybe there are some words that have a similar sound, but they're not an exact match. In Spanish, you have to imitate this sound the best that you can. Ñ, 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 ñ. French has this sound as well. Ñ, 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 ñ. To put it in a better perspective, it's like if you're pronouncing the letter N and then you make a E sound, and then the letter Y, 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 and then a sound. N, E, y, a, ñ, ñ. That's the best that I can put it, but it is just like this. Ñ, ñ, ñ. Try to make sense of what exactly I'm doing. Ñ, niño, niña, ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Ñ, ñ, ña, ña, ña. Thank you, my Spanish learners. Bye bye.